Biff. About to hit 25,000 miles. The new tires and the sticky rubber don't bother me on the rain anymore. They have a little bit of road noise. The coilovers, drivability is pretty fantastic for a substantial lowering, I guess I'd say, when you consider I dropped them about 1.25 inches. We're trying to get everything ready so we can put some paint on this sucker. Summer's almost over, and I said I wanted to get it done this summer, so time's running out. Their hands on it. They love to have the opportunity, just like that. 25,000 miles. Today is the day that we start the process of trying to get this car one color. Been driving it 1.5 years looking like this, and it's time to do something about it. So, all right guys, here it is. We have just pulled up the Finish Master, so we're gonna go in here and try to grab some stuff to get this paint job going. I ordered the Lapis blue for the Subaru, and so time to get in here and start buying up a bunch of supplies. Man, this is gonna hurt the wallet. All right, that is what $940 worth of painting supplies looks like. Alright guys, it is the next day, and after more trips than I can count to Lowe's and Harbor Freight, I've actually got the air compressor hooked up, wired into 220, and cranking out some good air pressure and wired up for all my devices. So I'll be able to get onto the into the paint gun. I've got the welder ready with some run out of wire. I've got my solid core wire. Next thing we're gonna do, oh, and it's amazing, I can actually see this wall. So all of the crap that was in here, mostly parts from that green S13, are now in my foyer, which is just a fancy French word that means I can no longer walk into my house. But before I get started, I wanna make sure I hydrate. The sun is already down here, it's the afternoon, and it's gonna start shining in here and warming things up here real quick. So make sure I'm properly hydrated. I'm going to wash down the car real quick just to get the dirt off of it so that I can start sanding in some areas, and then I will show you the plan of attack for how I'm going to get after the body work on that. So we'll at least hope to get it sanded by the end of this this long weekend. I don't know when I'll get these videos out to you. I don't know how many videos it's going to be, but if nothing else, let's call this a teaser. So we made it to this point. I'm hydrating, and I've got the air compressor set up. It was not an air compressor setup video, I promise you. It's a teaser to let you know that we are about to start painting, sanding, and doing body work all in reverse order on the STi, and finally make that thing a Lapis blue. It's gonna be beautiful. I can't wait for it. Hopefully it turns out well in the next few episodes. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you again real soon. Take care.